Friends, today we will see one another problem of constraint writing, that is generating a matrix like that. Means in first row it should be 1, second row it will be 2 number, in third row it will be 3 number, in fourth row it will be the 4 number, like that. For that we have to generate square matrix. So here I defined a class A. Inside that I am taking a integer type X dynamic array that is of 2 dimension, and declare it in rand type, um, for which I am randomized with randomize function. And I am writing the constraint C1 that will fix the dynamic array first dimension size, that should be 0 to 10. Means this dimension it will fix 0 to 10. And constraint C2 for every position the second dimension should be equal to the previous dimension, whatever it is generating x dot size. Means I am trying to make square matrix. If first dimension generate 4, like that, first dimension generate 4, then for every position it will generate 4 location. This is the C2, constraint C2. And constraint C3 is putting the value. Here I am writing for each loop with 2 dimension ij. If I is less than j, means if I is less than j, then it will put 0, otherwise it will put whatever is the size, x dot size. So here it is putting 5, but should be 4 4 4 4, because it is 4 is to 4 matrix. So see how it will work. For first x of 0 0, I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, I is not less than j, then it will put x dot size. So this should be 4. And in the second iteration, I is 0, j is 1. So I is less than j, it will put 0. So I is less than j, so x of ij means this position 0 1 position, it will put 0. In third iteration j become 3, j become 2, I is 0, then 0 is less than 2, so it will put 0 in third position, like that. Fourth position it will put 0. And if we will check for the second iteration, I is 1, j is 0, I is not less than j, so it will execute this. So for the first position it will put 4 x dot size. And if it is I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, at that condition also it will not satisfy, then it will put x dot size. So here also it will put 4. In third place, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, I is less than j, so it will put 0, again 0, like that it will fill the matrix and in class. So this constraint is helpful for putting the value inside the matrix, and C2 constraint used for make the matrix square matrix, and C1 will define the size of the dynamic array or matrix size. Now I am running it and see what is the output. Here you can see I declare and handle here object and repeat the randomization 10 times, and every time I am printing the value with percentage p for the second dimension, and for the first dimension I am iterating inside the for each loop. Handle dot x of I, this is the first dimension, and for the first dimension means a whole row will print with percentage p, so it will print row by row. So you can observe on this. Here you can see this 2 is the result of first time displaying first station. So 2 0 2 2, like that. If it is 6, if it is 6, so first row it is 6, second row 2 6, third row 3 6, fourth row 4 6, fifth row 5 6, sixth row all 6, like that. For 8 it is also same. Now you can see it will create 8 row 8 column, and like that it will print. For 10 also, for 2 6 3. So you can generate a square matrix and you can fill value like this. I think you will understand this constraint and printing method, how I am iterating and printing every row. If you understand this concept, please like this video, and if you have any another idea, please comment it. We will meet in next video. Thank you.